I'm Kaushi Bhatia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a low-fat hamburger. Traditionally, a patties is used to make a hamburger. Many people do not have the time or inclination to make a patties, and it is also very fattening. Keeping this in mind, I'm going to show you how to make a low-fat hamburger. For this, you will require one hamburger bun slit through the center into two pieces. You will also require 4 slices of peeled and boiled potato, 4 slices of onion, 4 slices of tomato, 4 slices of peeled and chopped cucumber. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on the veggies. Now heat a pan and warm the bun on both sides and make it slightly crispy on a medium heat. Keep turning carefully so that it does not burn. We are not going to use butter as this is a low-fat hamburger. You will also require 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon green coriander chutney. Now remove the buns from the pan and apply tomato sauce on the lower part of the bun, spreading it carefully till the edges. Now apply the coriander chutney on the second part of the bun and keep it ready. Now place the onion slices and the potato slices one by one. Then put the tomato slices and the cucumber slices. Make sure it does not fall out of the bun. Cover with the second half of the bun. Place it on the pan and heat the bun for about 2 minutes, making sure the filling does not fall in the pan. Now transfer the bun into a serving dish. If you wish, you may cut the bun into 2 pieces. Serve hot with tomato sauce. If you like my channel, kindly click like, share, subscribe, and please do send your comments. Thank you for watching.